So for a recap, let's have the formula of the following figures. First, we have square, which is s squared. We also have the area for rectangle, length times width. Triangle, we have 1/2 base times height. We also have here the area for trapezoid is equals to 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times height. And also we have here the circle, which is pi r squared. Next, for the last figure that we have, is the parallelogram. And the area of the parallelogram is base times height. So what you need to do is to memorize the formula of the following figures.
So today we are going to learn about measuring volume of prisms and cylinders. But before that, of course, let's have first our lesson's objectives. First, derive formula for finding the volume of prisms and cylinders. Second, solve problems involving the volume of prisms and cylinders. Let us start with the formula. The formula for finding the volume is area of the base times height. So the first thing that we need to do in order to solve the volume is to identify first what kind of prism is given. For example, we have here what? What do we call this one? Very good. This is a rectangular prism. How about this one? Very good. This is a triangular prism. And the last one is an example of a cylinder. So that's the first thing that we need to do in order to solve for the volume of a given prism or cylinder. Now, let us proceed to our example number 1. Find the volume of the given figure. Can you tell me what kind of prism is this? Very good. This is a rectangular prism. Now, before we proceed in solving the volume for rectangular prism, let us first identify the parts. So, 5 cm is our height, 4 cm is our width, and 6 cm is our length. Now, let us write the formula for the volume. We have area of the base times height. Since we have rectangular prism, our base is rectangle. And what is the formula in finding the area of a rectangle? Very good. The area of a rectangle is equals to length times width. And then let us copy the remaining solution, which is times height. Now, we are just going to substitute the given value. Length times width is equals to 6 cm times 4 cm times the height. The given height is 5 cm. We are now going to compute for the following. 6 times 4 times 5 is equals to 120. Therefore, our final answer is 120 centimeter cube or 120 cubic centimeter. That is how we find or solve for the volume of a rectangular prism. That's why it is very important that you know how to find the area of particular figure. Now let us proceed to our example number 3. Find the volume of the given figure. Can you tell me what is the name of this figure? Very good. This is an example of a cube. And the cube, when we say cube, all sides are equal. So let's have the formula for the volume. Volume is equals to area of the base times height. So what is our base in this figure? Very good. Our base is a square. Therefore, the area on finding the square is s times s or s squared and then times the height. Since all sides are equal, we write here times side. So we have s times s times s or s cubed. Let us substitute the given value. We will get 5 times 5 times 5. The answer will be 125 centimeter cube or 125 cubic centimeter. Next, for our last example, we have a cylinder. So this is an example of a cylinder with a height of 10 cm and a diameter of 14 cm. So let us write the formula for the volume. volume is equals to area of the base times height. Since we have a cylinder, our base is a circle. And the formula for finding the area of a circle is pi r squared. And let us copy the remaining solution times the height. Let us substitute the given value. So we have 3.14 for the value of pi and 7 for the value of radius. Why? Because we have 14 cm as our diameter and we say that half the diameter is the radius. So 14 divided by 2 is 7. That's why we have 7 as our radius. And then times the height, which is 10. Let us solve first the exponent. So 3.14 times 49 times 10. 3.14 times 49 is equals to 153.86 times 10. The final answer will be 1,538.60 cubic centimeter or 1,538.60 cm cube. So again, our lesson is about the volume of prisms and cylinders. Our formula is the area of the base times the height. So it is very important that you know how to identify what kind of solid figure is given. So that's all for today, Jillians. I hope that you learned something new today. See you on our next lesson. God bless and stay safe.